Good morning, it's Nola here. I'm got another kit together here and I wanted to give you an idea of what it is. So these are the main colors. We've got some of those pinks and the brownie pink, and then some mauves, whites, a little tiny bit of yellow. So pretty. I absolutely love this piece of fabric. So anyway, this is what I'm going to put in the kit. I'm going to put in some ribbon, which is this color, and it goes perfect with that. This is a piece of a dress that you could make into something, and it goes perfect with that. There's another piece of fabric which picks up the same colors, but if you don't want to use it, it would be ideal to use as the center to some other project, but that's entirely up to you. There's a piece of this, which is the same again as these colors. We have this one, which goes beautifully with these again. And this one, which picks up all the colors in this. We have this gorgeous piece. And I only have a little bit of this, and I just love it. Then we have this one, beautiful. And then another gorgeous piece of sari. We have this fun piece to add in. And this is very aubergine. It's not blue like it looks. It's very, very dark aubergine and black. This is a real pale mauve. And then I have this one, which I also love. And that will be going in there as well. So there's all of those pieces. And then I have some of this trim to put in, and it goes great with these. I have a beautiful piece of lace to put in there. It's gorgeous. I have another lovely piece of lace to go in there. And then I also have one of these that has 3 little pictures on it. So this kit will be, not sure the number, but it'll be $25. So, and there's only 2. So thank you very much for watching, and they'll be on Nanny's Attic by Nola. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye now.